Careful with the bell housing.
Wow, that crankshaft is completely seized. The rust is everywhere.
I believe these hubcaps are original, but this blue paint seems slightly off.
You're right. This blue piece is a reproduction. Look at the depth of this blue. Flawless application. This is exactly how it left the factory back in '65. A perfect match.
The key here is the precision of the disassembly and the meticulous cleaning. If we don't get this right, the whole engine fails again. As we install the crankshaft, remember that proper clearance and alignment are critical here. We must ensure everything is torqued to spec. It's crucial we get the suspension geometry right. We need to ensure these new components are properly aligned and torqued to spec.
We have to ensure proper brake geometry. Make sure the new components are perfectly aligned and torqued correctly. Proper fuel system maintenance is critical. We must ensure these new components are secured and connected correctly.
It is imperative that we maintain the electrical system. We must ensure these new components are properly secured and connected.
The key here is the proper application of the body filler. You need to ensure a seamless blend with the surrounding metal to make it look perfect.
All right, focus on the seams first. Keep the coats even.
Got it, starting on the hood.
I'll take the side panel.
Keep the pressure even on the edges, otherwise we'll have high spots.
Got it. It's almost ready for the sealer coat.
Keep that pressure steady on the hose. We need a perfect rinse.
You worry too much, Captain. We've got this.
Looking sharp already.
Is the viscosity right on that?
Yeah, feels good. I've set the pressure to 60.
All right, let's test the fan pattern.
Airflow is optimized. Temperature holding steady at 72.
Humidity levels are perfect. The cure is proceeding flawlessly.
The gauge is reading consistent thickness here. Good. Let's move to the 3000 grit on this section.
The compound is leveling nicely here.
Something nice and faster. Yeah, it looks perfect. Let me wipe that off.
You have to maintain even pressure or you'll get swirl marks.
Right, the orbital motion helps prevent that.
Yes, but the final wipe is crucial. Torque on this one is 50 foot-pounds.
Got it. The schematic for the avionics panel is updated, by the way.
All right, the carpet adhesive is setting nicely over here. We're clear on the bottom edge. Check the torque settings again.
Confirmed. Moving to the sealant. Ensure an even coat.
Clips are secured. Check the tension on the torque wrench.
Reading exactly 12 Newton meters.
No air leaks detected on the seal.
Keep it steady, we're almost home.
Clear on this side. How are the hydraulic lines looking?
Looks good, no scratches on the chrome.
Yeah, the fit is perfect.
Let's get the air checked.
Is the alignment correct on the badge?
Yes, perfectly centered.